Dozens of 7th graders are here at North Kansas City's Innovation Center, taking these kits and turning them into these robots, having some friendly competition and learning about STEM. It's a special day for a special group of North Kansas City 7th graders.
Google offered to come in and do a visit for our 7th graders so that they could be exposed to robotics in a new way that is different for them.
Robotics education competition and Google partnered up with the Future Ready Lab to bring this day to life. The students learn about teamwork, problem-solving skills, and more while building a robot and competing against their peers.
And these students are learning how to collaborate as a team with students from their own schools or even from the other schools who are participating today to build something that's completely brand new to them.
The robotics team with St. Therese stopped by to help with the action. They tell me the skills they've learned will help them into their future.
It can help you learn problem solving, critical thinking, teamwork, and it's just a lot of fun to do, and it's an important skill to have.
Robotics can also help you in future careers such as engineering.
Sometimes just putting those tools in their hands that they wouldn't have available to them on a daily basis gives them the opportunity to try something that will spark maybe a lifelong interest that's built right here in our lab.
Well, and hopefully these kids are a bit better at driving these things than I am. I mean, the most important part is that they are having fun and learning a bit while they're doing it. Reporting from Kansas City, I'm Gabby Luma, KCTV.